Hello everyone, today I'm going to be simply teaching you how you can share your screen on Google Meet. It is going to be a very simple and step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end and do not miss any steps. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, I'm just gonna go ahead into Google and basically type Google Meet. And on the first link, which is meet.google.com, I'm gonna go ahead and open and create a instant meeting. As you can see, this is the meeting that I just started, and here I can copy this link and send it to other people, and then people can join my meeting as well. But if you want to share your screen here, however, all you have to do is you will have to have the host permissions, obviously, but you are starting the meeting right now. I am starting the meeting right now, so I obviously have the administrator settings. So basically, once you have that, on the bottom right you will see there is a present now button. Go ahead and click on it, and once you click on it, there is going to be three options that you can see. You can share either your entire screen, you can either share a window if you want, or you could share a tab, but I'm gonna share my entire screen, as you can see. And then here I can basically choose between my three monitors. Let's just say I'm sharing this monitor, and as you can see, it says you are presenting your screen, and it finally says you are presenting to everyone. Stop presenting. It basically means you're sharing your screen to everyone. And if you don't want to if you don't want to share your screen anymore, just simply click on stop sharing and it will stop. So if you think this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.